So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do share, subscribe, and like my videos. Sorry, please do share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn longest common prefix. Okay, so if you have any longest common prefix, so if you have input like this, flower, flow, flight. Okay, so this is our first prefix at zero index. So here we need to put prefix string at 0. Okay, so this is our first one. We start from here, or for s in string 1. So here we need to like compare from started compare from flow. So here flow compare with the flight. Okay, this will not match. Okay, so while not s start with prefix. Okay, so this will not match, and not start with the asterisk. मतलब I mean not not as dot start with prefix. That mean flow not match with the flag. Okay, so we remove a prefix from in the end. Okay, so so if it I mean if it is not match, then we remove from end of the prefix. So IGHT not in flow. Okay, so we remove IGST from the end of string. Okay, from the flight. Okay, and flow first two F and L will match first two F and L from the flight. Okay, FL match from flow with FL from the flight. Okay, so we keep the output FL. Okay, so after that, if not prefix, return nothing. Okay, so here str equals to dog, race, car, and car. So this is our first prefix at index 0, and race car is the first index. Okay, first index. We will match from the car, so it doesn't match. I mean, and this thing didn't match Kariniri. So here, though no common prefix among these input string, so we return this and return prefix. So this is our explanation of longest common prefix. Okay guys, thank you and bye bye, take care.